As you can see by my rim, I hit the curb a lot when I'm trying to parallel park. So having one of these tire inflators is a really good idea. This one has a bonus where it's also a portable jump starter and portable power pack for recharging your phones. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you how I use it both to inflate my tires and simulating jump starting my van. Hi, I'm Ellen. I received this combination jump starter and tire air compressor. I'm going to open it up and charge it up so it's ready to go. All right, we have two compartments with the unit, cables. These are different adapters for different types of balls and sporting equipment and bicycle tire. Have a very hefty manual and a USB-C port. So let's charge it up and then we can run it through its functions and see if we like this. So here's the unit. Charges with USB-C. It is 95 degrees outside. So I'm going to charge this up. You can see it's doing its thing. And then we'll go outside a little later and test this out on my van. This is charged up to 100%, so let's take it outside and see how it works. Here I am using it to charge a camping lantern. With 44.4 watt hours, you could fast charge your phone 10 times depending on which phone you have. Let's try to inflate this tire. I took some air out of the tire so we could test it. And I don't know exactly how much, so let's find out. I'm going to manually test my tire pressure and see if it matches what the machine's going to tell me. So this is showing just a touch over 30. Let's see if I can get this into focus. Let's hook up this machine. So it comes with this cable that screws onto right here. There we go. And this is what goes on the tire stem. When you get it into place, push the lever down to lock it in. Here's an up close of what the unit has. There is a light, USB-A for output, USB-C for input, and here is where you plug in the module with the alligator clips for boosting a battery. This is the front panel. This changes what you're inflating. You don't want to go above the maximum setting for whatever you're inflating. Like you don't want to inflate a little ball to the same as a tire. So this just helps limit that possibility. Right now it's on SUV. This is car, bicycle, ball, and then open so you can choose your own range. I'm going to put it back to SUV since that's what's most appropriate for my minivan. You can change the tire pressure that you want. Right now it's set for 34. I'm going to go up to 38. This is to turn the flashlight on. And there's flashing and slower flash and off. This turns the pump on and off. That is locked. I turn it on. So this is showing 30 psi, just like my manual did. So let's do this. All right, it shut off automatically when it got to 36. Let's try changing it to 38 and press start again. Hey, it's done. That was really fast. Wow. Okay. So, wow, this got kind of warm, but hey, it worked. Release that. That's awesome. And it still shows a full battery. Wow. Okay, let me put the cover back on and we'll go check out the battery. Oh, before I do that, I forgot. Let's double check the tire pressure with the manual. All right, perfect. I'll put that cap on. Look at that. Spot on. So let's see how one would use this in order to jumpstart a car. I'm going to attach the alligator clips to my terminal posts. Red on red. Black on black. And I'm going to plug it in right there. And it can only go one way because there's one round hole and one differently shaped hole. This green light is on, and that means that I have the alligator clips on the right leads, and it automatically sends power to the battery. And I have 30 seconds to try to start the car before it automatically shuts off and needs to be redone. Alternately, if it's a really dead battery, you can hit this button here that says boost, and it will send an extra boost to your battery.
This cute case and its contents could be yours. See the link below. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.